guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix car not moving in Assetto Corsa. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here with your Assetto Corsa? Well, in this case, the first thing that you want to do here, which in this case the most obvious thing and easiest thing that you do right now, is to make sure that you have your plugs or your cords plugged in properly. Now in this case, make sure that the USB is correctly plugged in. Usually you might need to move this to a different one because USB ports can be in this case not compatible, so you might want to use a different one. So in this case, try a different port and see if that solves the issue. Now another thing you could do here is to make sure that you're not using a lot of inputs on your game. So you want to go ahead and open up Steam here. You want to go to the Steam option at the top left here, and from here choose settings. Now in here you want to go to controller, and you want to go ahead and disable your Steam inputs that you're not using. So any controller that you're not using, go ahead and disable that. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and exit this one, and you want to also restart Steam here. So in this case, click on the X at the top right here. You could also click on Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, and from here you can go and look for Steam and close it up. And once you've closed every Steam app here, you can go open it up again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.